Gotta keep on breathing if you wanna make sense of it all. We will not fall.
Hi, I'm Adrianne from Indyoga, and thank you for joining me today for this very short asana tutorial on an arm balance called Fallen Angel. Fallen Angel stems from an arm balance of side crow, and if your side crow is pretty consistent, strong, and you feel confident that you can do your side crow or Ekapada Kundinyasana, then I don't see why you can't give Fallen Angel a little go as well. It's important to have warmed up before attempting this tutorial or this particular arm balance, particularly the rotation of the spine, getting a little bit of core strength and also into the wrists and the arms because it is an arm balance. So we're going to start by coming into our side crow, and for that I'm going to do it facing you. And we want to get the feet and the knees really tight and locked in together and get that rotation of the spine. And we want to bring our elbows and to connect our elbows in towards our front knee and our back hip. Okay, we're going to bring our hands down onto the mat. And we're creating a ledge here so that our knees can rest on top of our elbows and our upper arms. So when we come down into the side crow, we want to get the belly free, really get that nice deep spinal rotation and make sure that those legs aren't going to slip off of your side crow here. Gently bring the left ear, left temple down, and then you can start to extend the top leg up towards the sky. Keep extending, extending. And then bring it back down and push away and return back into kneeling. So it takes a little bit to slowly lower your head, your ear and your temple down to the side. You don't want to feel that you're dropping the head. Be careful of the neck, obviously. I'm going to show you from the reverse so that you can see from the back on the opposite side. Keeping feet, knees nice and tight together. Really get that spinal rotation. Get those elbows locked into the back hip, locked into the front knee. And making sure that you create that strong ledge to come up into the side crow. And a little bit of a slip there from the leggings. Don't feel so strong on this side for some reason, so let's give that one a go. And that's probably what's going to most likely happen is that your legs will just simply slip off of your arms. So it's helpful to maybe be around some cushions or on a softer surface, on a carpet. Let's give this one more go at least. I feel I haven't really got this side nailed yet. Bringing it back. And the hardest thing is coming out. So there we go. New arm balance to give yourselves a try. Get that side crow nailed. Really get those into those rotations. A good one to try to get them dialed is a twisted chair pose. So this would be your prep. So you really get that elbow locked in to the knee. Wish you luck. And try a few new poses in November. Thanks.